Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to unblock extension on your Google Chromebook, then this video is for you. First, you have to open your Google Chrome browser on your Google Chromebook, then simply click on this puzzle icon here and you can find manage extension button. Simply click on it and here you can find the extension. Make sure that it is enabled by simply click on this toggle button here. So you can find that blocked extension from here. So for example, this extension is blocked in my browser. Now simply click on details. After clicking on details, you can find the link here that is actually the ID of that extension here. You can find it. Now you have to open a new tab and simply type this code on somewhere else, because we are going to use this code. So copy that code here and paste it in this section, and here in the paste here section you have to copy this ID and you have to paste it here just like this, and don't search for it. You have to remain it like this and make sure that you have turned on the bookmark section. So click on bookmark and list and click on show bookmarks bar, and here you have to do is right click on the bookmark and click on add page, where I'm going to add 3 pages from here. So I'm going to name it first one, and the first page will be like, you have to name it, you have to give the URL like KILL / and click on save. And again we are going to create the second page, that is 2, and the link should be like, URL should be like hang / then click on save. And the third page you have to add another page, the third page that should be your like, let me show you, hang / and click on save. Now you have to do is you must need to add this on your search bar here, remain it in the search bar, and make sure that you have just clicked the first page. If it's unblocked, then that's enough, you are good to go. But if it's not working, then go with the second one. The second one is, if it's not working, then click on the third one and see if the extension is unblocked or not. So that's the pretty much all thing how you can actually unblock extension on your Google Chromebook. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.